There's nothing worse than the sting of sensitive teeth. We've all felt the pain that comes with eating ice cream or swigging a too-hot cup of coffee. At least 45 million Americans have tooth sensitivity. While sensitive teeth are something you should chat with your dentist about, there are a few things you can do at home to soothe them. Here are some of our favorite tips for nipping tooth sensitivity in the bud. 1. Salt water. Sea salt is antiseptic and anti-inflammatory, so it's long been used as a rinse to alleviate tooth pain and inflammation. It's also loaded with minerals which may help replenish the minerals lost from poor diet or less than stellar oral hygiene. To get rid of sensitivity, make a saltwater rinse by mixing half a teaspoon of sea salt with 8 ounces of warm water and let it dissolve. Swish the mixture in your mouth for 30 seconds, letting the salt solution sink in between teeth and below the gum line. Then spit out. 2. Honey. Honey, especially the raw variety, is antibacterial and helps wounds heal more quickly. When applied to gums, it reduces pain, swelling, and inflammation. Simply combine 1 teaspoon honey with 2 tablespoons warm water and use like a mouthwash. 3. Hydrogen peroxide. While it's most often used as an antiseptic to prevent infection in wounds, hydrogen peroxide can also help soothe painful, inflamed gums. Mix 1 tablespoon of 3% hydrogen peroxide with 1 tablespoon lukewarm water. Swish the solution in your mouth for about 30 seconds, then spit out and rinse with fresh water. Repeat up to 3 times a day. 4. Turmeric. Turmeric is a major anti-inflammatory thanks to a compound called curcumin. Freshly ground turmeric has been used in Eastern medicine for centuries to reduce pain and swelling and encourage healing. When it comes to sensitive teeth, make a paste of 1 teaspoon turmeric and half a teaspoon water. Apply it to the teeth and massage into gums twice a day. And don't worry about it staining teeth. Turmeric is said to have tooth whitening power, so you might even end up with a brighter smile. 5. Cloves. Cloves contain the active ingredient eugenol, which is a natural anesthetic, and researchers are exploring clove gel as a topical numbing agent. The easiest way to take advantage of this natural pain reliever is with clove essential oil. Mix 3 drops clove oil with 1 teaspoon olive oil in a small bowl. Using a cotton swab, gently dab the oil on the area that's bothering you. Reapply every couple of hours for lasting relief. 6. Green tea. A type of antioxidant found in green tea has been shown to reduce the growth of bacteria in the mouth with positive effects on reducing gum disease. Use green tea as a mouthwash or simply enjoy 1 or 2 cups of tea a day. Just be sure to rinse your mouth out or gently brush your teeth afterward to prevent staining. 7. Oil pulling. Oil pulling works wonders for all sorts of mouth issues. Coconut oil contains predominantly medium-chain fatty acids, of which 45 to 50% is lauric acid. Lauric acid has proven anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial benefits. Regular oil pullers report less sensitive gums and fewer cavities. And a 2015 study showed that oil pulling using coconut oil could help decrease plaque formation and plaque-induced gingivitis. Simply put a small dollop of coconut oil in your mouth and swish it around until it melts. Continue swishing for 10 minutes, then spit into a trash can. Avoid spitting the oil into the sink as it can build up over time and clog the drain. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy our next video on 13 natural ways to clean and whiten teeth. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.